Hi all, I hope you're all good. In this video, I will show you how to enter BIOS configuration settings and boot menu option for a Medion Akoya P6677 laptop. Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the #1 channel to your solution. So let's begin, guys. Open the laptop, now power on. Keep tapping the F2 key. Yes, guys, the F2 key until it prompts to BIOS configuration settings. So let's recap. The F2 key, guys. As you can see, you have now entered BIOS configuration settings. Now I will show you how to enter boot menu option. So power on the laptop again, and this time keep tapping the F10 key. Yes, guys, the F10 key. As you can see, you have now entered boot manager. So if you've got a USB flash drive, it will show up here. So let's recap, guys. The F10 key, this key here. Now, if you cannot enter boot menu and you keep tapping the F10 key, stay tuned and I will tell you what to do. Okay, so enter BIOS again, the F2 key. Now, guys, what you need to do is go to boot. So select boot. Make sure this is enabled. Okay, now go down, and then what you need to do is select legacy. Yes, guys, select legacy, and then it will pick up your USB flash drive. Okay, so guys, save it now, exit and save, and then try your USB flash drive and it should work this time. Keep tapping the F10 key and it should detect your flash drive or your DVD drive.